What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It is day 133 of the Hit or Shit Challenge. 365 days, one or more packs a day, and we are rolling right along. First off of all, I want to apologize. I'm a little under the weather. My voice is a little jacked up. But anyway, yesterday we ended it with a hit, which was cool. We got the Palafin EX sitting in the background. So today we will bring the claw back. You know it, you love it. It is the claw. There are 5 selections left in the claw today. I do have some pretty neat things lined up though, that are on the way. I don't know if I'll save it for a Mail Monday or this is what we'll pick for today. What we got? Can I get it out of here? We've got Lost Origin. Alright. That's a good one. Been waiting to get a good hit out of that. I'll put the claw away. Thank you everybody for tuning in. We love you so much. We appreciate your support, for you being here, tuning in to the channel, following along in this madness of a challenge. But we're having a lot of fun. We're hoping you're having fun watching. We got all these Lost Origin. What do you think the odds? Leave in the comments below. What do you think the odds a Giratina is in one of these 8 packs? Hey V! Oh, she doesn't want to participate. Alright, so what do we got here? Let's go with, I'm feeling the Zoroark for today. As always, if you guys want to get a quick scope of the most recent hits, I'll put these up here. We got the Zardy boy hanging in the back. Alright, so here we go. For day 133, Lost Origin. Surpass the point of no return. Let's go. Hope everybody so far has had a good start to their week. It's Taco Tuesday. Hope everybody's enjoying that. If you're having tacos, I did not have tacos. I wish I did have tacos though, because I love tacos. If you love tacos, leave a comment in the comment section below. Got a code card for everybody. Got 4. Alright, here we go for day 133. We've got Grass Energy. We got the Torkoal, the Arizu, Relicanth, we got the Rhyhorn, Murkrow, we got the cute little horsey, we've got the Mawile, we've got the Shellos, we've got the Reverse Hollow Blipbug, and for day 133, can we keep this hit streak alive? Cheers, cheers, everybody. Check it out in 3, 2, 1. All right, yes, we'll take it. We got the full art trainer, Thornton. Very beautiful card. Let's leave this baby up. Gotta put it in the background. Put it in the top loader. hope you all are just chilling for tonight. Let's take this one back. We'll take this one down from the background, and we'll put up the new one. So I'm thinking about adding a sealed pack from Modern Sets to the 200 subscribers giveaway. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that like, share the channel. Leave in the comments below what Modern Set pack you would like to see in the giveaway, and I will do my absolute best to make that happen. So appreciate you all so much. We love you. We appreciate you tuning in and spending time with us. That's it for day 133. Thornton Full Art sitting in the background. We love you. We'll catch you on the next one.